Okay, so today we are introducing how to connect the wireless terminals with the level sensors and the alarm. And firstly, this one is the alarm, and this one is the wireless terminal, and this is the power supply, and this is our sensor. And now we are connecting them all together. And firstly, let's see how we do the wiring. Let's see here. And this is the terminal block. As you can see, for the first two terminals, it is for the power supply of this Howard wireless terminal. And the third and the fourth block is for the relay functions. Yes, we connect this alarm to these relay terminal blocks here. And then these two wires are connecting to the sensors here, And now all the units are connected well. So for the hardware, it is fully connected. And the next part, we are going to connect to the software. And log on to our website here. You can see on the page, here is the sensor. The level data is 8.176 meters. And here is a relay setup. And we click trigger here. And you can see the trigger setting here. We set two triggers. One is if the level is more than 8 meters, it will trigger the alarm. And once the level is lower than 1 meters, it will also trigger the alarm. But if it is lower than 1 meter, then the alarm will be on. And if the level is more than 8 meters, the alarm is off. Now let's add let's come back to the monitoring center. And click our sensor here, and now it's 8.1. And let's decrease the level to 1 meter. 看一下10。
还有点没动啊。
没关系，等下再，等它停下来再。好，再。再下去的。Now the level is coming down to 1 meter. And as you can see, the alarm will be on very soon. Now, as you can see, the level is less than 1 meter, so the alarm is on. And now let's change the level to 11. Okay, the sound can be tuned up. And now let's change the level to more than 8 meters. Okay, now it's coming to more than 8. And the alarm is off.